In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter CMS content in Wix using dynamic page controls. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will guide you through customizing how your content is displayed, providing you with the tools to tailor your site exactly to your needs. We'll start by accessing the site dashboard. Log into your Wix account and select the site you want to work with. Once inside, navigate to your site's editor. This is where all the magic happens. In the editor, locate the Content Manager panel on the left. It's here that you'll manage your collections. Think of these as databases containing all the structured content your site displays. Next, select the collection you'd like to filter. To make sure you can monitor the changes effectively, it's crucial to have a clear idea of what content each collection holds. Once you've chosen your collection, click Add a new field if necessary. Adding fields lets you detail your data, offering more options for filtering later on. After managing your fields, let's move to creating a dynamic page. Dynamic pages in Wix are essential because they allow a single page layout to display multiple content pieces by pulling data entries from your collections. Click Add Page and then select Dynamic Pages from the options. Here, you'll be prompted to link your newly created page with your CMS collection. This linkage is what enables the dynamic nature of the page. With your dynamic page linked, it's time to set up the repeater. A repeater is crucial for displaying multiple entries from your collection in a consistent format. Still in your dynamic page, click on Add, then choose List Grids, followed by the Repeater option. Drag and drop it onto your page. This setup allows for a visually coherent presentation of content. Now that your repeater is in place, we add filters. Click into the repeater and choose Manage Fields. Here, you'll select which fields from your collection should appear on the page. Think about the user experience. What information is vital for them to see immediately? For effective filtering, locate the options for Set Filter. Here, you can filter content based on specific criteria like a date range or category type. Filters are your friends when it comes to refining content so it meets your audience's immediate needs or aligns with certain criteria. Lastly, it's time to preview your page. Click Preview to see how this dynamic page looks and feels. Check that all the content aligns as planned and the filters work seamlessly. If everything looks good, go ahead and save your work. Then, publish your changes so they're live for your audience to see. And there you have it. With just these steps, you've mastered how to filter CMS content in Wix, making your site's content both dynamic and tailored. Try experimenting with different filter settings and designs to maximize engagement and ensure users find exactly what they need effortlessly.